Okay, welcome back and let's hit the solution. So let's say this is our exercise, so my exercise array, and we first off have to build the array. So we have an array, and the array holds 3 further arrays. So we have array 1, then array 2, then comma array 3, and the values are in the first 4, comma -6, comma 2. In the second, they are 7, 4, 2, 7, comma 4, comma 2, and the third one -1, comma 0, 9. All right, 0, 9, and they're here. And then we want to access my exercise array. However, I don't know yet what I want to access. I run it from the second line, so this is line 1. We want to print the first entry, so this is at place 0. So we want to have a -1 if that's correct. Sorry, 7 from the second line, 7. And this is correct. All right, that was the solution. So see you in the next video part where we talk about loops.